Meaning of John Evelyn.
John Evelyn.
John Evelyn.
John Evelyn.
John Evelyn. John Evelyn was an English writer, gardener, and diarist. He is best known for his diary, which he kept throughout most of his life and which provides a detailed account of 17th-century England, including the Restoration period, the Great Plague of London, and the rebuilding of London after the Great Fire of 1666. In addition to his diary, Evelyn wrote extensively on a wide range of subjects, including horticulture, architecture, and politics. He is considered one of the most important English writers of the 17th century.